everyone, this is Shweta.
Welcome, and my name is Inder, and welcome to our
channel.
So there was a first shot, or you can say kind of first look. I may be wrong. It's a first look or first shot of new movie of Vishal.
Okay.
Vishal sir, and it's a Rathnam.
Rathanam.
Rath means like you have that Rath maybe.
Okay.
Guys, do let us know what does it mean. I can be wrong. So let us know in the comment section. So let's watch the first shot.
First shot of Vishal.
കണ്ണീർ സെന്നീരായി ക്രോധം കുരുതിയായി ഉക്രം ഉദിരമായി രണങ്ങൾ രക്തമായി
March or April. Oh my god. It was just a first shot, but it's amazing, okay? It's actually amazing.
The way it started, the trucks, I think that there was maybe a truck driver or something like this. This is an assumption, okay? Because this how basically the transport guy goes in the group and he's getting out of the truck. Then if you see first bulls running, then horses running, then
he is here. But I like the music when he just step one step and the music, the BGM is started.
It was very nice. It was nice actually. The BGM always makes effect. Okay, like because if you don't have a strong BGM, if you don't even have a BGM in the movie, you'll not watch it. Absolutely. Because that music creates an effect and make you like have that feeling whatever is happening on the screen. So and then he's Bali Chadha because a lot of people were there, there were dogs there and everything. And there was those huge murtis, you can say something bolte na aisa bali dene wala.
So, but you know what, I like the part where the people, the big murtis and the people were also with that avtar.
Yes,
if you see costumes and
maybe costumes or there bolte na jo unka but I'm like that avatar so in that also they were standing and everything. There were also dogs on the both the sides.
Yeah,
if you see.
Absolutely true.
So animals, a lot of animals are there, like bull, horses, and then dogs, and then
the blood. I was just thinking, but all of the way when he came, he just removed that sword and he just Okay.
And if you see the tear runs red, basically bloody tears. And if you see the all effect was also a little bit reddish. Yes, if you see. So when he got like the whole scene was like little bit red. It was shot in reddish part, because the land looks bit reddish. Everything looks bit reddish.
And
everything. So it's a ratham. Ratham means blood, wrath. So I was wrong. But
yeah, even in the mid of the shot also I told maybe it's blood, but was not sure, and then all of a sudden the name came and
the blood,
it's blood.
So yeah, if the name is Rathnam, there is gonna be a lot of bloodshed.
There will
because
be.
This shot, the small first shot started with bloodshed.
But Abhi, actually, you know what? We have to see how the story will be. Okay,
yes,
see, this was the first shot, and
so there is
like
a teaser, then trailer,
and it will be like something 90s or might be current generation or anything.
In which era is the movie?
Yeah, which
era? Is it kind of old?
Because this thing is kind of, I think it's a past thing.
It still happens somewhere. You never know.
It happened, might be.
You cannot say it can happen anywhere, of course. But this looks nice, intense, and a lot of bloodshed and BGM. Everything looks good. The first shot was actually the killer. It gives you that shot.
Even the music, the BGM plays an important role, man.
Yes.
When he started walking, and that time also it was just okay. It's good,
and he's a very good actor. He does this kind of like serious roles, because we have seen his couple of movies. Actually. He's good with serious roles and serious stuff as well.
Actually.
And he bring out that performance pretty well. But this is gonna be a nice.
It will be good. Now it's just a first shot.
It's maybe like 3-4 months. Maybe the movie will get released. So
I guess March,
April, May maximum.
Yeah.
So we might get teaser soon and trailer soon. So of course.
Or some mini glimpse, some
This was the glimpse only now.
Yeah.
Now of course
second thing.
They will give you a teaser or soon or trailer soon.
That can be possible.
That is possible, of course. Maybe in a month or so we will get a teaser trailer. Then we might get a background idea what is the movie based on and what not. So why is so much bloodshed involved? Because as the name is Ratham, blood. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of bloodshed in this.
Even I was like, no.
It was nice shot. It was in his hand.
I was like,
wow.
Cool.
So we have to wait till summer for his next movie. And guys, keep on commenting and keep on supporting us, and do send us links on Instagram.
Yes.
And meanwhile, do like,
subscribe,
share,
comment,
and click on the bell icon.
Do ping us on Instagram
Bye bye.
too.
Take care.